What up, guys? It's SMG here, and as I promised you yesterday, I'm gonna do another pack opening today. I am actually, and yeah, you're probably wondering, so how much packs you're opening today? And I'm opening 10 pro packs. Like you're like, how the hell do you have so much money? And I'm just gonna show you. Stay tuned. Like at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna roll you a clip what I got yesterday when I was like basically laying in bed, like just playing some FIFA live event, something like that. I got something really amazing. Like, he is not high rated, but he sells, so that's the only thing that matters. If he, I don't care if he's not high rated. If he sells, he's okay. And yeah, guys, I wanted to show you another thing. As you know, Domination came out yesterday, and I played it for now. I played it 5 times. Well, I have to show you what I got. Remember last time that I showed you, like I had, I think, yeah, I needed 5 more. Well, today, guys, I only need 2 more, and I completed attacking. What have I clicked? Oh yeah, and I completed attacking expert. I've completed it. Like today, I completed it, and this is so good. Look, I'm just clicking, and nothing happens. So it's like, when I get the 99 James Rodriguez, he's not my favorite player. I'm just gonna be like, whoa. And I'm probably not gonna play him because I paid a lot for Dybala, so I only need heading and standing tackles. And yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, you know what, guys? Enough talking. Let's get into this video. My team actually progressed. Like, is a 75 right now, as you can see. I mean, I don't have the player that I packed in my team. I have him like of course I opened some more packs and I got some more players. So yeah. Whew. But you're gonna see who I packed. So because of that card, I now can have like 10 packs. So yeah, let's go into this pack opening, guys. I hope we're gonna get something good. Okay, bam, Beckis, center forward. Oh. Okay, a team crest. Well, guys, I really hope I'm gonna get profit from this pack opening, because that's a lot, like 10 packs. You remember what I said in my first video, like, you don't open like more than 10 packs. Okay, saturate, as long as it's like a team update team, or a 78 or 79 or an elite, I'm happy, because I just need to. Okay, my midfield is now better. Bam, FIFA Mobile, El Harbi. Oh, okay, this is not good. 7 packs remaining, and I'm just this pack opening. If this pack opening isn't gonna be that good, like, I don't know what it is. Okay, Lee Skalvik, Curran, Kadir. Oh my god, no! What I'm doing? What am I doing, bro? 6 more packs. 6 more packs. Yo, please, yeah, give me one elite, like one elite. Even if he sells, oh my god, no. Bro, what? I just can't believe it. Even if he sells like for 50k, just give me one. Oh, Team Crest, and a Gabriel, 4 more pro packs, and I just got nothing for now. Wow. Okay, a 3 token. Okay, so this, I think that, yeah, this is a gold or better. Please, God. Bam! Ovalar. Wow. Then I have like 88 reserve players, but you just know I'm not gonna get like 80,000 coins from that. Ginley, Oduro, Gladden. Okay, so this is a gold or a better one. Please, EA. Bam! Like, I mean, it's alright, because it's a team update, but I expected more from EA. So yeah, come on, just give me someone good. Come on. Isnaldo. Wow, you're a joke. Just, yeah, like, I have 1 more pro pack. I just wasted, oh my god, 75,000 coins. I just wasted 75,000 coins. For what? For this. Tell me, EA, how am I supposed to get profit, from this? This is like this is, well, it's not the most unsuccessful pack opening I have ever done. It's like those 50 packs I opened. Like, it was even worse. I didn't even get a team update. No, believe me. But yeah, yes, I got it, but it was like so bad. I believe his 75 was my best player. Okay, so, yo, I didn't even think of that. We have all gold midfield, so that's nice. That's nice. Of course, all gold defense, and I think we do not have all gold attack. Like, we need this right wing, and guys, just let me down in the comments below. But let me know in the comments below, like, should I buy a right winger and then get more coins, or should I get more coins and then just open packs and just hope to get another elite? But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, don't click off this video because another clip is just waiting for you right now. So yeah, peace.
Jack Remix.